so much. 9:18 right now. Let's talk about your first alert forecast. We're going to start with a live look from Phoenix Children's Hospital. We see a little bit of that brown cloud beginning to develop out there, and you should know our pollution issues this time of year, which are mainly made up of smoke, fireplace smoke, and dust. It gets kind of trapped near the surface when we've got these colder mornings, but a warmer air during the afternoon especially. So we tend to get that, and it's worse during the morning and evening hours. We had a little improvement in the afternoon hours. We did have a no burn day issued yesterday, and that came out about this time yesterday morning. So far, we haven't seen that for today. Our air quality in the moderate category for both fine and coarse particles. That would be the smoke and the dust, and ozone in the low or good category for today. That's good news for your outdoor plans, like maybe hiking in the 50s right now, although pretty close to low 60s in many spots. 70 by noon and 78 for an afternoon high today. Sunny and mild conditions under clear skies. We're not seeing any big delays at Sky Harbor. It's a busy travel season, of course. Current temperature 59 degrees across the rest of the country. Got some delays starting to show up with some cloud cover in Dallas. We've also got some rain across parts of Texas. I'm seeing some delays right now and this morning in New Jersey, but that's because of a runway issue, not because of the weather. New York City sitting at 40 degrees under partly cloudy skies, and no delays otherwise other than Dallas and New Jersey, which I mentioned. Across Arizona, we're pretty quiet. We're still under a ridge of high pressure, so mostly sunny skies and warm conditions expected for your Wednesday. Really for your Thursday and Friday as well for the valley. But bigger picture here, we've got an area of low pressure that's going to pull some moisture up into Arizona. So a few showers in the White Mountains in northern Arizona later today, or most likely later tomorrow. A few hundredths of an inch. This is not any kind of big winter storm for us, but I don't want you to be caught off guard if you get a few snow flurries in spots like the White Mountains. The rest of the state, including the valley, will stay dry and quiet. Our next bigger weather change looks like it's going to come early next week. So I don't see it on this satellite or radar view just yet, but early next week, it looks like we might be headed for a big cool down. In fact, I showed you this temperature outlook yesterday, this graphic yesterday, but it was showing a much different picture for our 6 to 10 day outlook. This is a product issued by the Climate Prediction Center, and it was showing above average temperatures for next week. Well, that's now changed. This area here in gray is showing either no clear signal or likely closer to average for our temperatures, which averages in the upper 60s right now. So that means we're headed for a cool down because we have been in the 80s, and now we're going to be in the upper 70s today, which is still 10 degrees above normal. 78 for the valley today, 53 for Flagstaff, and 63 for Payson. Your 7-day forecast shows some upper 70s through the end of your work week and mid 70s for the weekend. Those 60s return starting Tuesday.